Okay, welcome back to my channel, and I'm glad to be filming again. So for today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to make this DIY flower mask. So if you have your school presentation, your child will be joining in a discussion party, or one of your nieces, so this video might be helpful for you. So what are we waiting for? Let's get it started! So here are the materials that we are going to use. So first we have this one, our chicken wire, black marker. This is the permanent one, guys. ATM glue, pair of scissors. We have double-sided tape. There. Okay. Paintbrush. Brown paint. We have here our ruler, flower pattern. So this is the bigger one, and another flower pattern, and this is the smaller one. So I'll be using some A1 colored paper, or in the Philippines we call it, guys, cartolina. Okay, so we have here a light blue one, and we have the mustard yellow. Ayun. And then we will be using also corrugated paper. So here. So this is the orange one. This one is the used box. There. Yeah. So it's I just recycled this one. And we will be having pencil. So these are our materials. Our step 1, get the chicken wire. So I have it already on my hand. Then use this one to get the shape of your face. So this one, put it here, and then okay. So leave some spaces here. Okay, para hindi ma-irritate yung yung magsusuot nito. Okay, to give comfort to the person who will wear the mask. So leave some space here. So there. Then I will lock it up. Okay. Why using the chicken wire? Because this one is adjustable. So every time that you measure your face, you can just move it if it's too big for you, or if it's too small for you, you can just still adjust it. So yan yung reason, guys, kung bakit may chicken wire. So this one, I will put it in again. So I think this one is okay. So there. Yeah, I think I can just put my So that's okay, guys. And the next one, after the chicken wire, this one. Okay, so step 2, get the wire, then put it on the recycled box. Then get a pencil, then trace it around. So you can just adjust it like this if there's some curvy shape or curvy side, I mean. Okay. So this one, so you have it already, the shape of your face. Then next step, get your ruler. So this I'm using like 3 inches. So put my ruler here flat. So just move some. Okay, 3. Yeah, or 3.5, guys. 3.5, 3.5, and 3.5 here too. Another 3.5 here also. So here. And then all you need to do is just paint this one around. So this one is the finished product already. So this is the dried one. So as you can see, yung mga crooked part ng ating box, it gives like a design or an effect sa ating pattern. So it helps also to make it look nicer here. So then after this one, so if you're just like waiting for this pattern to be dried, so while drying this one, so get your flower pattern and start cutting. So yun. So we'll just get this one. So I'll be starting with the big one. So all you need to do is actually to put it over your, trace it over your, there, your corrugated paper. That is our step number 4. So then make a pattern. You trace this one. So like example. Okay, after you trace, you will have this one. Oh, this one. So it looks like this one. So trace and then put it over there. Okay. So I already made this one, guys. Like we need 6 of them. So I have a lot already. So this one. Okay. So this one is ready. Then for the yellow paper, or for the next one, we'll have the A1 light blue paper. So cartolina in the Philippines. So first thing, here, zoom natin so you can see. So first, I will trace the pattern. Okay. Here it is. Then, looks like this one. I hope you can see it. Yeah. Then, just cut it. Same with the first one. Cut the pattern. excess, I'll just throw it in the bin. This one. Then next, guys, still get your brown paint. So I have it here, and my brush. I'll just put some free strokes this time. See? So this one, guys, so as you can see, this one. Okay, then after that, okay, I'll wait it to dry, but also I prepared that already, so I have already patterns over here. So I have here now. Okay, these are the dried ones. Okay, so I have also 6 of them. Okay, then after this one, so you can see it will just dry it easily. After this one, our next flower is the yellow one, or this one, this pattern. So it's up to you guys of how what size of flower do you want. So I mean the petals here. So I'll trace again, same as that. So try this one, you will just fold if you want like to cut fast. Just fold them, just fold your paper, and then just cut the first pattern. Here. This one. So now we have our smaller flowers. Okay, so next step is I'll be putting some cover to the table. So here first I will get the black marker. So here I'll be using this part. Yeah. Okay. So then I will just put a border. Here. So we have here now. So this one is the smaller flower pattern. There. So instead of using black ink, this one is easier and faster. So then get the center. So I'm folding the paper like this. So this one, this is the center part of our petal. Then I'll just put like 1.5 inches cut there. So you can see this one closer there. Then I will overlap. So overlap this one, overlap, and move a little to have this kind of curve effect. Yeah. Then get your stapler. Then so this one is having that effect. You can see, and this is the side view. Then so do the same thing on the other petals. So I already prepared also a lot. Yes, I have here, I have here. So already 6 of them. So we're now ready. So then after that one, so we'll just get our two-face pattern. So here, and this is the number 1, the back part, and this is the front part. So get your petals. So lay out first. So in its place, I'll move this one first. So lay out. Then get the center. I'll just let it face with me. So here. So this one, guys, I'm just using the double adhesive tape first. So if you need a sturdy one, you can use glue gun. Okay. So for now, I'm just using my double adhesive tape. Then get the orange one. So get the center. So this one. And guys, it's very important to put a mark on your frame. Put it like top. It means that's the upper part, of course. So I cut 2 strips. So this one. Okay, to be used as support sa back part ng ating flower mask. Will be wearing this one for our upcoming school events this May 11. So if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and please subscribe if you haven't yet, and don't forget, guys, to share to your friends, family, or to everyone. Okay, see you again on my next one. Have a good day, everyone.